Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Today we're in the beautiful Pernera area, and here's the Bohemian Gardens under renovation at the moment. We came here about a month ago, guys. Lots of our viewers have asked for a little update, see what's going on down here. Now the scaffolding's still up, all the scaffolding all around the building. Looks like there's 2 new stories. We mentioned that last time we were here. There they are at the top. There's no windows or doors up there on the 2 new stories. Of course, the windows and doors and curtains in the rooms are still there. So it's Sunday today, guys. It looks like lots of people working on the building. Last time we were here, there was no one here on the Sunday, so it looks like they're cracking on with it, get it all finished. There's forklifts around, of course a big crane still there lifting stuff up to the new stories. Yeah, we've got pallets and pallets of stuff. There's empty pallets. I suspect they would have full of tiles. Last time we were here there was pallets and pallets of tiles, so they would have gone down and done and finished with. Right, now we're back at the front. I thought there was a entrance round there, guys, but there isn't, so we'll have to go round the building site. There's still lots of stud wall bits and pieces here and insulation, so those new floors are not finished yet, as you can tell by all the bits and pieces that need to go up there. There's some more tile adhesive there and silicone sprays and what have you.
And weights on the crane.
Yeah, massive weights for that crane. What is high. I would like to be going up there and controlling that crate. This is where the cement's delivered. These are old, I forget what they're for now, but anyway they're old and they cut them in half and they use them for delivering the cement. So they dump the cement there and then take it to where they need it. Now this side here has been re-plastered, this side, can you see? All brand new plaster. Looks really lovely, doesn't it, guys? So the whole side of this building has been re-plastered. It's nearly finished. I do believe next week they'll probably be painting that to finish it. Hello. Right, let's go around. Oh, look at this. Have you seen this here? This wasn't here last time. We had a great big hole last time, and now we've got a veranda area, covered veranda at the top. So that's going to be some sort of extension, isn't it? Maybe a restaurant. And then we got here another area, another covered area. There we are. Let's go around the back here. Hello. Let's go around here. Mind yourself. Now these are finished, these rooms here. Can you see? These have got their own pool. And these were bungalows. If you can remember last year, guys, these pools weren't here. And last time we were here, we showed you these pools. And now they're finished. There's a bit of painting to do around there, isn't there? The original pool is going to stay as it is, I do believe. I don't think they're going to do anything with this crazy paving. Not this year anyway. And the gardens and the main pool I think are going to stay as they are. But let me go around here. Mind the umbrella stands. I think they're brand new, guys. Look, brand new stainless steel umbrella stands. Right, let's have a look at the main building then, see what's going on there. Now we can see the brand new 2 stories added at the top. There are some windows up there, or are they balconies? Oh no guys, I do apologise, they're the glass for the balconies. They've been added on those 2 rooms at the top, not on the right. On the right there's no glass at all on the balconies. And then there's amazing extension here guys. Now let's have a look, see what that veranda, or covered veranda should I say, is for. Can you see at the top? I think that's going to be the restaurant up there, or down here is going to be the extension of the restaurant at the front. Can you see? And then we need some more plaster work here on this section. That's all got to be plastered and painted. That's got to be plastered and painted, this extension bit. And then I think a lot of the tiling's done. This was the old pergola. You see it all wrapped up. I think they're going to get rid of that, or they're going to extend it out here, but I think they're going to get rid of that guys, because we've got a brand new veranda there, you see, next to the pool bar. So yeah guys, lots and lots more work to do here. Oh, I just mentioned, mind the brand new umbrella stands, and I tripped over one. Never mind, there we are. You won't worry about that guys when they come to stay here, because there'll be umbrellas in there. I like these tiles and these amazing swimming pools they've got here. So we've got 1, 2, 3 bungalows sharing this pool, and 3 bungalows over there sharing their pool. Lots of tiling going on those verandas. Can you see the verandas sticking out? So they might have been bigger rooms there on the corner. Right, let's go around the back of the bungalows guys. Yeah, just tread over the used bags. I think they must have had tile adhesive in them. There's the back of the bungalows and the field. What's in these sacks? Oh, that's render guys. They are plaster, should we say, outdoor plaster. Lots and lots of plaster, in and out, everywhere. It's going to be very spectacular when it's finished. So it looks like we've got lots of plaster work to do. Tiling looks like it's more or less done guys, because I can't see any more pallets of tiles out here. And as I say, there was stacks and stacks of tiles down there on the right, and of course those 2 brand new 2 stories at the top, they all need plastering and doors and windows. So still a little way to go. There we are. Now we've spoken to some workers, and they predict that the hotel will be open for the beginning of the season. So there's the lovely St George's boat, and we're going on there, having a meet up on the 22nd of May guys, and the 29th of June. And if you fancy meeting up guys for that amazing 70s and 80s disco night on the St George's, just let us know, and we're offering a 20% discount. So there we are. Hope you enjoyed that little update on the Bohemian Gardens guys here in Pernera. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.